Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, I thought of doing a try-on haul for you from my favorite shops, which are Zara, Mango, and Netaporter. And so yeah, last week I ordered quite a few items from Netaporter and Mango, and they arrived yesterday, and I'm so excited to open them up and try them on. And yesterday I was at the Zara store and I could not resist. I had to pick up some items as well. And so yeah, right now is sale season, so it really is the best time to shop. And I got really good deals for all these items, and I'm very happy to show them to you. For those of you who are asking about ordering from mango.com and netaporter.com, all taxes and duties are paid for at the website, and everything is shipped via DHL straight to your home, and there's no need to pay for any additional hidden costs at the customs, nor is there a need to pick up the item at the post office. It goes straight to your home, which is so convenient, and which is why I keep shopping at those sites. And so yeah, let's get on to it. Let's start with Zara. These are the items that I got from the Zara sale, which I bought yesterday at the store in Greenbelt. Let's see what I got. Okay, so the first item that I got is this oversized polo / dress. It's really versatile actually, and it really depends on how you want to style it. And it's in this beautiful eyelet material. As you know, I am a sucker for anything eyelet and lace, and I love that this never really goes out of style. And most of my eyelet pieces in my closet stay there for a very long time. I never get rid of them because every summer they're back in style. And I love how this is like an oversized polo that you can mix and match and style in many ways. And yeah, I'll show you how it fits. Okay, so this is how it looks, buttoned all the way up. It is like a dress actually. It's really long. It's like an oversized polo / dress, or however way you want to style it. And I think it's an easy piece that you can mix and match with your entire wardrobe. And again, it's made out of this beautiful eyelet design or detail that I absolutely love. I can't get enough of anything eyelet and lace. Yeah, I really love how this looks. And you can also wear this to the beach like this, kind of like a nice cover-up. Next up is this beach dress, but when I saw this, I immediately thought I could wear this in the city as well. I think this is also a very versatile piece, and it's a forever piece because stuff like this don't really go out of style. I love the contrast here with the piping, the black and white piping, and this nice nudish fabric. When I tried this on in the store, I really love the fit because it's very forgiving. Like, you can wear this to a buffet because nothing will show, and I think this is very flattering as well. And this looks good at the beach or in the city. So this is how the dress looks. It has like a nice loose fit to it, and it is actually kind of like a drop waist. And I love this part, like it has like nice pleating to it, and this part especially I love. It gives a nice contrast to this dress, and it just makes it so stylish, I guess. It's so pretty. It has a nice light material to it. It is cotton, and this part, I think this is like knit that has been sewn on to the dress. Like, this is the dress underneath. And yeah, I love this nice touch to it. It gives it like an interesting vibe. And it has a very boho feel, but still looks very modern. Next up is this pair of sandals, and this is made of real leather, and it's just really pretty flats, and it has this tortoise shell detail, which I love, and this buckle. And yeah, it's very simple, but I think it's very elegant, and I love the fact that it's made of real leather. So that is a plus for me because I know it will last a long time. So these are flats, so these are very easy to wear for the summer. Very pretty. This strap is actually a little bit tight, but I'm hoping they will loosen over time. But I love how pretty the buckles are, and yeah, they're just such a nice statement sandal, I think. And they're very comfortable. They're made of real leather. And excuse my feet, I need to have a pedicure, but yeah, that's how it looks. Next up are the Snakeskin Slides, and they have a heel to it, and these heels are clear, which I love. It's a nice detail for these otherwise simple slides. And yeah, I don't think it's made of real snakeskin leather, but it's embossed and made to look like snakeskin. I think it is real leather though, because it is very soft and it is really nicely made. I love how comfortable it is, and when I first tried it on, that was the first thing that I loved about it. And yeah, it's such an easy kind of shoe to mix and match with your wardrobe. Snakeskin is really on trend now, so I decided to pick these up since I don't think I have anything snakeskin yet. Next up are these Snakeskin Slides, and this is how they look. They're so pretty. I love the heel. There's such a nice detail to this really pretty pair. And I think they're easy to match because this is like a nice nude kind of snakeskin print, and it has black on it, so it's easy to mix and match with everything I own. It's just so pretty. And the last item that I got from Zara are these pretty slides. They're actually inspired by Saint Laurent, the Saint Laurent slides, and they are just so pretty. Actually, I've been on the fence to buy the Saint Laurent slides, and I just love them so much. I love how they look, but I couldn't bring myself to pay that amount for just a pair of slides. When I saw these white ones, I immediately snapped it up because I actually have the tan ones and I use them all the time. And let me show you. So these are the tan ones that I got a while ago, and they are so used up. I use them at the beach and I use them pretty much everywhere, and I love how comfortable they are. It's really such value for money for 1,999 pesos. And yeah, because I love these so much, I got the white ones. I've been looking to buy the white Saint Laurent one, but I just could not do it. It's just too expensive. And so this will do for the time being. It's just so pretty. And it's comfortable. It's made of real leather. So yeah. So next up is this package from Mango. So I got 2 items from Mango, although it took me a lot of willpower not to buy everything that I saw. I just decided to buy the essentials and buy what I don't really have in my closet, which are blazers. So yeah, let me show them to you. Okay, so I got these 2 blazers from Mango, and they're both made out of linen. And let's go with this first. This one is an extra small. And yeah, I just saw it on the site and I thought, how pretty is this? I mean, it's so summery. I love the print and I love the colors actually. This is made of linen. It says here it's made of linen, and it's very light actually. On the site I thought it was like kind of heavy, but it's light, and this is perfect for summer. And yeah, I can't wait to see how this fits. I love the color. I love how this kind of elongates me and gives me like a slim kind of look, but it's still very summery. I love the colors. Like the color combination is just so pretty. It has like this little bit of blue and salmon and white. It's just so fresh and so summery. And you can button it up. You can button it like this. I love how summery this looks. And yeah, paired with shorts, high-waisted shorts. These are also from Zara. It's so pretty. And next one is this denim looking one. Actually, I thought it was made of denim, but it's actually linen as well. And it has like this beautiful denim color. And I thought of wearing it with white shorts or white pants. This just looks so pretty, and it's also very lightweight, and it's so perfect for summer. It's not constricting, and yeah, I can't wait to fit this. It has like these nice buttons. Love that this is kind of like shiny, and it has like a pretty color. It looks like denim, but it's linen. It's kind of like denim. Well, it looks denim on camera and in person, but it's really linen. And it's very lightweight, it's very summery. It's so cute actually. I love this color, and you can just pair it with neutrals, you can pair it with white and beige, and it just looks so pretty. It has like this kind of mother of pearl buttons on both sides, and it's just so cute. I think I love this. It has such a summery vibe to it. The next up are these items from Net-a-Porter, and I'm so excited to show them to you. So this one is from one of my favorite designer brands, which is Loooooove. I absolutely love this. I've been looking for something like this, and when I saw that this was on sale, I snapped it up right away. So when you open it, it has like this pouch, and that's the box. And when you open the pouch, it is a card holder. But this is like the prettiest card holder I've ever seen. It has like that Loooooove stamp here, and it has 3 colors. It has this yellow color, this kind of blush color, and an orange color. And the back is the same, but it only has a stamp here in front. And it is just so soft and plush. It is made of really beautiful leather, and I'm just so excited about this. I've been looking for a nice card holder, and this is just really perfect for what I need. And the last thing that I bought from Net-a-Porter are these shoes from By Far. I haven't bought anything from By Far. This will be my first item. I just saw it on the site and it was on sale, and I could not resist. As you know, I don't have anything snakeskin, which is why I bought these slides from Zara. But I also didn't have anything strappy, so I got this to answer both those needs. So this is by Far. When you open it, it has the dust bag here. Right, it says By Far, and it just smells so good. I don't know about you, but whenever I open packages from abroad, I smell it and it's like, it smells so good. Also the leather, I think, of these shoes smells amazing. So these are the shoes. Let me just take out the paper. Oh my, these are just the prettiest. These are just the prettiest strappy sandals ever. They're just so beautiful, and look at the heel. They're just so unique, and they're just made of this supple leather, and I think this is snakeskin or embossed leather, but it looks like it's made of real snakeskin. Yeah, it looks like it's made of real snakeskin, and it is just so beautiful. And look at the under, and it just smells so amazing. Oh, I love it so much. I can't wait to use them. But I think first I'm going to have to put those rubber protective soles underneath to protect my shoes, because look at how pretty the leather is. It has like this kind of suede leather, and it's just so pretty. Okay, so these are the sandals from By Far, and By Far they are so comfortable, and I love the design. I think it's very flattering, and makes my feet look very slim, and I love the heel. The heel is really a statement heel, and overall it's very comfortable, and I think this will fit my entire wardrobe because it is snakeskin, but it has very neutral tones to it. I love it. And last but not the least, I wanted to show you this new item that I got from Kooky Cool. It's this Australian brand. Actually, this is a gifted item from the brand itself, and it's just so pretty. I actually can't wait to have an event where I could wear this because it is just so beautiful. It's like this lace kind of material, and it has these beautiful polka dots on them, and it is just so extra. It just looks so embellished and pretty, and I can't wait to have like a place or a venue for this to wear to. Yeah, I can't wait to try this on as well and show it to you. Okay, so this is how the dress looks. The one from Kooky Cool, and oh gosh, it is just so pretty. I love these little frills. This detail is just so nice. It's over here and it crisscrosses over here and then down here and also in the arms, sleeves. And yeah, that's how it looks. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love the fit. The fit just it just hugs me in the right places. And it's just so pretty. Gosh. I love how this looks and I love how it feels in my skin. It's very light and yeah, this is just perfect for a summer event. It has like this lining inside, but of course it's covered with this one. So it's like a peekaboo effect. Have it. I hope you liked it, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think of this video, and consider subscribing. I love doing try-on hauls just like this. I love doing travel vlogs and I like doing bag reviews. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.